In a neon digital alley, Parkey realizes something is wrong. The system didn't just see him, it recognized him. He thought the Meowtrix was empty.
I thought I was alone in the Meowtrix. Turns out, yeah, not even close.
He was wrong. A presence flickers into view. Not a threat, a guide.
Okay, nope. How do you know my name, Blue Tweety?
Unease turns into understanding as paths form where walls once stood. Being chosen doesn't mean being hunted. It means you matter.
Chosen. Big difference.
Follow Parkey every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 a.m. US EST. Don't forget to subscribe.